Barangay Board of Commerce of Barangay Pag-ibig Canayon of the City of Municipality of Quezon City, Province of Metro Manila, do hereby certify and swear our official oath that we have duly canvassed the election return in the precinct comprising the aforesaid barangay in the election held on October 29, 2007. And that as forming part thereof is a statement of vote by percent of the votes cast therein for each candidate. And that the following candidates obtain the highest number of votes indicated with their name.
Name of candidates for the Chairman Sangguniang Kabataan. Okay. Gonzales Stephanie Mariel.
Ba!
Sangguniang Kabataan. Teacher Elvis.
In witness whereof, we have here unto affix our signatures this 29th day of October, 2007, as Quezon City.
Signed by Chairman
Melanie Gamit, Member. Lisette Ligata.
simulain